Hey everyone, just wanted to come on, talk about a couple of things this afternoon. Um, so, a couple of things I've been noticing. Uh, I, from time to time, we'll follow bigger pockets. Um, they talk about residential as well as a little bit of commercial real estate for all levels within the U.S. I follow their blog from time to time. A couple of trends I'm noticing is, they're really pushing the uh, real estate crash narrative on both residential and commercial sides. As we continue into the year 2024, we know that there is a likelihood that the rates will continue to drop, not as low as sub 3% from what I'm seeing, but something similar around that, sub 7% interest rates. As we continue into 2024, I think we're going to see more of what would be categorized as a reverse mortgage crash, with a reverse real estate crash. Uh, we're going to see the price of houses continue to rise. We're going to see an upturn or uptick in families, primarily middle class and upper middle class families, fighting for these homes, similar to what we saw in 2020 and 2021. There would be quite a bit of competition. A lot of the markets that saw a downturn, such as places like Austin, Seattle, in their real estate pricing, coming down from that inflation, is going to it's going to continue to see an uptick once again in 2024. Here, I found interest in this article. It's speaking to commercial properties and the crash. This is something to also keep your eye on in these trends. Uh, there's always going to be boom and bust cycles in real estate. And so if you follow those commercial trends, you might be able to pick up on some uh, good trends for those adjacent, any of those adjacent residential properties and markets as well. So I just wanted to kind of point this out today. Another thing that's that is interesting that happened within the past few hours. Sam Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI, joining Microsoft. This, of course, caused an uptick for Microsoft's stock today. We're going to continue to see trends such as this as we see different industries such as AI, ML, even as far as data science, Web3, as we see these industries and these industries emerging leaders and startups continue to grow and expand, we're going to see them joining forces with a lot of these already established tech giants. This will not. Sam Altman is one of many to have already done this, and we're going to continue to see this trend. So this is something to watch out for. These are some of the trends to be looking for. Some of the competitors to companies such as OpenAI. Start to study who their leaders are, what kind of leadership style they have, what their employees are saying and doing. You can find this information through sources such as LinkedIn and Twitter and so on, and really start to try to find any sort of correlation or trend to what these competitors doing. And this can help you to understand better the next moves for these bigger tech companies. Everything happens for a reason. So I just wanted to come on and let you folks know that this is something that you can start to look into and really be aware of what's going on, and then who's backing these massive overnight startups. It seems like companies such as SoftBank investing heavily in AI, Google, Meta. Start to look for these trends. You can come out on the other side very well if you are paying attention to what's going on. Nothing is a coincidence.